5 passive income ideas for 2025. If you search for passive income in YouTube, you will find hundreds of passive income ideas. I myself have suggested many different passive income ideas and ways. But what are the real passive income ideas that will work out in 2025 and that too high paying? So in this video, I will list out 5 passive income ideas, real passive income ideas, which have high earning potential in 2025. Without wasting no time, let's jump into the list. The first in the list is AI content creation. There are n number of ways where you can create content using artificial intelligence. Content creation has become more easy these days with the help of AI. So I'm not mentioning content creation as one of the real passive income idea because making money in content creation is really tough. Only 1 among 100 can make decent amount, I can say. But AI content creation will give you more opportunities to earn. Not only content creation in platforms like YouTube, Instagram, etc. There are multiple ways you can make content using AI. You can create blogs using AI. You can sell images like thumbnails. If you can refer my channel in the previous videos and all, like you will see AI generated thumbnails. Like I generated almost all of them using AI. And if you can create such thumbnails and sell them, you can literally make thousands for each thumbnail. Yes, it is true and it is possible with the help of AI. There are many AI tools out there. If you want to create blogs, there are tools like ChatGPT, Copy.ai. If you want to create images, AI-generated images, there are tools like Midjourney, DALL-E. And for every application, there are tools. Even you can create movies or HD videos using AI tools such as Runway ML, Dream Machine, etc. So there are many AI tools out there where if you can use them properly, you can create content online and make money using them. Number 2 in the list is online course creation. This is the right time to sell courses online because of the growing demand in online education. Gone were the days where people visit offline coaching centers to train themselves on various technologies or various stuff. Nowadays, like everything is online. It's easy, it's affordable, it's cheap, and it's high quality as well. So that's the reason why people prefer online learning over offline learning. So this is the time you can target them. If you are good at least one skill, there are multiple ways that you can monetize your skill by creating online courses. There are platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, and there are some customized learning platforms such as Graphy, Teachable, etc. Like there are many such platforms where you can create courses and sell them online. And if you can create courses on platforms like Skillshare, you don't need to advertise yourself as well, like because it will be listed on global platforms, so your courses will get visible. So in this way, you can earn money because you will get global recognition, because you will get global exposure. There are more chances that you will earn a lot using those platforms. You can earn while you sleep. And number 3, freelance video editing. The demand for video content has been growing high. Brands need video editors. Individuals like content creators need video editors. Everyone needs video editors to advertise themselves or to portray their content in a more meaningful and aesthetic manner. So brands will pay a lot. Even content creators will pay a lot for video editing services. So if you can learn video editing and monetize them effectively, there are chances that you can convert that as a full-time job as well. You can become a full-time freelance video editor and sky is the limit for you to earn. But yeah, this is one of the best passive income ideas for 25. And number 4 in the list is selling Canva designs. Canva is a go-to tool for many of the graphic designers these days. You can literally design anything and everything using Canva, starting from thumbnails, flyers, Instagram posters, brand promotion, graphics, presentations. You name anything, you will find it in Canva. If you can master the Canva, like Canva is not really hard to master. If you can spend a couple of weeks using Canva, you can learn them easily. Start creating designs using Canva, and there are many freelancing platforms, or you can reach out to a specific brand or specific individual and offer your services. This is the best way because you don't need to spend too many months or years learning this tool. Canva is simple to learn. There are many things that you can sell using Canva. This is one of the best passive income ideas going forward. And number 5 and last in the list is user-generated content. This is growing in a very fast-paced way these days. UGC, also called as user-generated content, is nothing but you promote something that you have used already. Let's suppose you bought a gadget or a mobile phone. Give a review in the form of a video or in the form of a blog. That's it. That is user-generated content for brands because you are promoting a specific brand here. There are two ways that you can earn by creating user-generated content. The first thing is, because you are creating video content, ultimately you will get some numbers, you will get some likes, or you will get some followers, so you will get some following for this kind of content. That is good. If you are growing in this space, brands will pay you to review their products. Brands will send you products and ask you to review in the form of video or blog content. This is another way that you can earn. User-generated content is booming these days, because there is a difference between brands using celebrities to endorse their products and brands promoting their products in the form of user-generated content. Because user-generated content looks authentic, right? Because you're using the product, so you're giving a review. There are more chances that your neighbors or your friends or your followers or people in your network will purchase that product than people looking at celebrities endorsing their product. That is how it works, right? Because if I use a product and if I offer a review, my friends or my family members will show more interest in purchasing the product because they know me. Similarly, user-generated content will help brands to generate more sales. That is the reason why they pay UGC creators a lot. So these are the 5 real passive income ideas for 2025. You can literally earn money while you sleep. If you can spend some good time on it, work hard and put some effort on it, then ultimately you can earn a lot using these passive income ideas. I hope you find this video helpful. If you think anyone else would get benefit from this video, please make sure you share this video with them. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to the channel for more such amazing quality content. Thank you.